Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you how you can play with friends in Genshin Impact. So it's really important to say, guys, so you need to be level 16 to be able to play with friends. And so when you're gonna escape and you're low level, you won't be able to see. So you need to have the adventure rank 16, and then you will be seeing the button friends, right? And that's pretty much it. So thank you very much everybody for watching, and have a great day and goodbye.